Hello and good afternoon. This is Paul Reiber coming to you from Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. And today we are looking at one of our many vehicles in inventory. We have hundreds of vehicles here in inventory, but this is just one. This is pretty unique. This is a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan RT with leather interior, dual power sliding doors, and a wheelchair accessible passenger side automatic ramp. Check it out. With the key from the factory, wrong side. With the key from the factory, the side deploys. Not only the door, but it's integrated with the wheelchair ramp, and that deploys as well. This is just one of many vehicles we have here in stock. This particular one we did not manufacture here. We do have the same type of side conversion, an automatic conversion for the Toyota Siennas in stock. We have dozens of those to choose from. This is just one we happen to have in inventory from another manufacturer. This is a side entry. So with the side entry, it gives you the freedom of having the flexibility of driving or being a passenger. With the wheelchair, you can bring it in here and park it here in the back and lock it in place, or you can be the driver or the passenger. So this is pretty cool. This is only got 36,000 miles, 2016 model. It's one of just many vehicles we have here in stock. If you're interested in a wheelchair accessible vehicle, please visit our website at freedommotors.com. This is just one of many. Here at Freedom Motors, we specialize in wheelchair accessible vehicles. We've been in business for over 30 years, and we offer a wide selection of different types of vehicles, cars, trucks, SUVs, vans. We have Chevy Silverados, Chevy Suburbans, Yukon Denali's, GMC Sierras, a lot of cool variety. Check out our website, freedommotors.com. Please subscribe to my page. And if you got any questions, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. Just check it out here with just a hit of the button. Bam. And it goes back up. 2016, only 36,000. This is an RT package, so it's sporty. It's got cool wheels, got a luggage rack, leather, fog lamps. Good looking ride. If you got any questions, if you're interested in a wheelchair accessible vehicle, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. We've been in business over 30 years. We're here in Battle Creek, Michigan. And I appreciate you watching my video, and you have a great day.